thought you and Carly held the sheet up.
Yeah, but the bird
This
didn't
isn't a
move.
bluebird.
Oh,
This is
it's not the same one?
a Spanish green-winged finch.
Oh, jeez.
Don't come out of here, mister. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need somebody to pull the door open, maybe.
All right. Careful with him. Don't hurt his little baby wing.
Nope, you ain't going anywhere just yet, buddy.
Oh, poor buddy.
I got him.
All right. Come on, buddy.
Sorry, wrong end.
He's gonna drop it. He doesn't know what's going on. Go that way.
It was a bluebird again.